Nagsasawa ka na ba sa guitar tone mo? Pwes, para sa'yo ang video na to. For today's video, we're going to test the 3 popular budget guitars available in the market. Pero may plot twist. Papalitan natin ng stock ceramic pickups with the all-new RJ Guitars Mirror Tone. So, if ready na kayong malaman at marinig if worth the upgrade ba, let's get it on! Before we begin, a quick brief lang about the Mirror Tone. The Mirror Tone RJ SL1 is inspired by the Seymour Duncan SSL1. So what can you expect? You get 90% of the tone for about half the price. Also, before anything, this is actually my first time na gumamit ng ceramic pickups. And honestly, may isang gitara na ginulat ako sa tone. Kasi di ba usually, pag sinabing ceramic pickups, ang iniisip natin, matinis, aggressive, at kulang sa warmth. Pero I might have been wrong my whole life. Mamaya malalaman nyo. Pakinggan na muna natin to. So what we're going to do now is a blind test. Hindi ko muna ipapakita, ipaparinig ko lang. Kayo nang bahalang mag-judge kung ano yung mas gusto nyong tone. Magnet materials affects the tone. Pero hindi lang siya yung nag-iisang factor. Malaki rin talaga yung epekto ng coil wind, pickup design, at yung DC resistance. So kahit na sinasabi natin na brighter at harsher ang ceramic pickups, hindi ibig sabihin na palaging ganon. Kasi a well-designed ceramic pickup can still sound warm. However, mas ginagamit talaga ang mga Alnico magnets, especially yung Alnico 5, because they usually give better dynamics, clearer highs, and better note separation. Pero again, nakadepende pa rin ang voicing sa pickup designer. Alright, time to reveal! Ito nga pala yung gitara na ginulat ako sa warm tone kahit naka-ceramic. Kayo guys, do you agree? Well, base sa naririnig ko, siya talaga yung pinaka-warm sa tatlong budget guitars na tinest natin. Before we continue, we need to acknowledge something. Budget guitars today are actually good. Compared sa mga entry guitars dati, mas maganda na talaga ngayon ang build quality, playability, and yung electronics. Siyempre, nag-a-advance yung technology. And minsan, yung high standards noon, free mo na lang makukuha ngayon. So, malaking bagay talaga yung technology. Which means, upgrades like pickups can push these budget guitars even further. So, let's acknowledge what's good about these budget guitars. First, yung tone. Yung nagustuhan kong tone is yung J-Craft S1S. Basically, dun sa balance tone na binibigay niya. And of course, yung RG Skycaster Basic, nagulat ako na warm yung tone niya. For me, the best neck among these three, yung Clifton Pioneer. Next up, build quality. Unang tingin pa lang at nung hinawakan ko sila, nagustuhan ko kaagad yung build quality. For its price sa price range na yan. These are the J-Craft S1S at ang Clifton Pioneer. And also, ang ganda ng gig bag na kasama nitong Clifton Pioneer. Padded na makapal. Kung di mo pa nakikita yung gig bag na yun at di mo pa nasasalat, my guys, sulit na sulit yung gig bag. Okay, last but not the least, sino ba ang pinakamura sa tatlong budget guitars na to? Drum roll, please! And the winner is ang pinakamura. Charan! The J-Craft S1S. Isipin nyo guys, 4,500 pesos. Meron ka ng gitara, meron ka ng gig bag, at build quality niya for its price. My guys, pwedeng-pwede na. Pero syempre, nasa sayo na yan kung ano ba ititignan mo. Neck feel ba? Yung tone? Yung playability? Yung build quality? Yan, dyan na magkakatalo. Kaya yan, gumawa ako ng table comparison ng tatlong budget guitars na yan. Okay, alam ko ito na ang tanong ng karamihan. Kasi kahit ako, ito rin yung tanong ko. Para kanino ba ang mirror tone RGSL1? Honest opinion, perfect ito para sa naghahanap ng classic strat tone. Yung glassy highs, clear chords, at yung madaling mag-cut through sa mix. Pero kung gusto mo naman ng mas warm tone, you should check out the Juicebacker 4. By the way, what I learned throughout my worship guitar journey, you cannot ask the salt to taste like sugar. Okay, let me explain. It simply means, be intentional with your tone. So, paano tayo magiging intentional? by knowing the basics and accepting reality. Basically, hindi mo pwedeng hingin yung tone ng humbucker sa single coil. Kasi nga, ang single coil pickups are naturally bright, clear, and articulate, while the humbuckers are known for the warmth, thickness, and great distortion tones. Pero kung kulang ang kumot, syempre, kailangan nating matutong. Very nice. Good job! For example, if your single coil pickups are just too bright for your ears, you can simply upgrade the pots, the cups, and the resistors. Nice. Very good again, guys. Very good! So kung interested kayo malaman yan, just click the link in the top left corner. Okay, abangan ko kayo dyan. Eto na naman ang tanong. Kailangan ba talaga nating mag-upgrade ng pickups? If you want to explore new tones and improve your sound, syempre, yes na yes. Pero, kung masaya ka naman na sa tone na binibigay ng gitara mo, then that's totally fine. Okay lang yan. But, in the worship context, tulad ng sinasabi ko, upgrading our gear intentionally, improving our tone, and dedicating it to the Lord is an expansion of our worship expression. And honestly, mas masarap talagang mag-worship kapag satisfied yung puso at yung tenga mo sa tone na pinapa-experience ng gitara mo. So, if interested kayo sa Mirror Tone RJ-SL1 at Juicebacker 4, available na sila sa any RJ Guitar Center nationwide. And of course, pwede nyo na rin siyang ma-order sa Shopee, Lazada, at TikTok Shop. Pero honestly, kung di kayo marunong maghinang, I suggest pumunta na lang kayo sa physical store para ma-assist kayo ng mga technicians. And here's the great news. Magiging available na rin ang pang Telecaster this coming March 21. Woo! Yeah! So guys, ano yung mas prefer nyo? Yung bright or yung warm? Please comment down below. Okay, dyan na muna natin tatapusin ang video na to. Salamat sa panonood. I'll see you again for another video. Peace!